Hello everyone, welcome to TNB Academy, your trusted platform to learn about ISO standards, sustainability and smart business practices. In today's video, we'll be exploring the role of environmental objectives in ISO 14031. Environmental objectives are not just goals, they are strategic drivers of performance and accountability. What are environmental objectives? Environmental objectives are specific, measurable targets that an organization sets to improve its environmental performance. They help align day-to-day operations with broader sustainability goals. ISO 14031 and performance evaluation. ISO 14031 is a guidance standard that helps organizations evaluate and improve their environmental performance. It doesn't set fixed targets. Instead, it supports businesses in creating and monitoring their own environmental objectives using performance indicators. How environmental objectives fit in. In ISO 14031, environmental objectives are at the core of performance evaluation. They provide the basis for selecting appropriate environmental performance indicators or EPIs that can track progress over time. Let's say your organization sets an environmental objective to reduce energy consumption by 15% in 2 years. Using ISO 14031, you would identify operational performance indicators to track electricity use, fuel consumption, and efficiency metrics to monitor your progress. Benefits of well-defined environmental objectives. Setting clear objectives brings many benefits. Keeps the organization focused, encourages continuous improvement, helps measure success through real data, supports compliance with ISO 14001 and environmental laws, strengthens reporting to stakeholders and the public. Smart objectives. ISO recommends that environmental objectives follow the SMART principle, that is, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, so they can drive real action and progress. Link to other ISO standards. Environmental objectives set under ISO 14031 also support ISO 14001, the Environmental Management System standard, and align well with broader sustainability frameworks like the UN Sustainable Development Goals. So environmental objectives give your business a clear direction and measurable path to becoming more sustainable. With ISO 14031, you are not guessing, you are tracking, improving, and leading by example. If this video helped you understand the role of environmental objectives, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to TNB Academy. Click the bell icon for more content on ISO standards and sustainable development. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.